Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today it just so happens I happen to be in, a place called Sierra de Altea. This beautiful modern apartment I'm going to be showing you today is hidden, nestled within a naturistic enclave at the top of the mountains within the Sierra de Altea, which is in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. It actually features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a constructed space of 134 square meters, and is in one of the most prestigious areas of this region. So let's begin the tour. Walking up this really beautiful green and leafy entrance within the urbanisation, you can see that it is well maintained with really nice gardens and also accesses to the actual building itself. It does have various points of entry for the residents, but what you find is that this would be the vehicle entry point, which would give you direct access to the garages. And then you also have, next to your entry point for the garage, the pedestrian entrance as well, which gives you direct access into the interior of the building. Effectively, your other front door. So as I come in through the front door of the penthouse, I'm coming into a welcoming, warm and inviting entry that leads into an open plan living, dining and kitchen area. Altogether, this space is 75 square meters and the ceiling height is 2.5 meters. You get a space of openness and also lights filling the space with lovely marble floors and doors and windows on one side of the room that not only give you impressive views but also illuminate the space beautifully. As I come into the space, on the right side you will find that this space is the dining area and it has a really nice table that is set to dine 6 in the middle. It leads from your dining space over the way into what is your open lounge. And the living area, as you can see, is modern, is open and also feels rather inviting. And then I'm going to take you now into the kitchen, which also is seamlessly connected with the rest of the living space. This kitchen is designed to be open on one side in the sense that you get your peninsula with a breakfast bar featured. You also have, for everyday functionality, your cabinetry above and below, and also your kitchen appliances. What is included would be, for example, your cooker, which is Bosch with the extractor, the oven below. Taking you along the way, you also have your kitchen sink. Then you also have on this side what actually opens into the laundry area as well of the actual kitchen space, where you have your washing machine and also your boiler. This is where the family have decided to put their kitchen. I would say that the kitchen is modern and comfortable, but it's probably the only area of the living space that you could potentially personalise further and be able to kind of create more of your own feel within that. Now taking you from the kitchen space over the way, through the lounge and the dining space, you have these glass fronted doors that lead beautifully out onto a very spacious roofed outdoor terrace. This is where you get to appreciate the beautiful climate that we have in this region and also the most impressive and spellbinding views. We're having one of those kind of days where you still get the brightness and the lightness, but there's like a hue in the air, and I think that might be due to humidity. But on a good day, you can see very, very far. The mountains on one side of the Sierra de Altea with all the beautiful whitewashed houses, the Mediterranean style that you can see all hidden and dotted around in the mountain. And then it goes gently down, sweeping towards where you get the coastline of Altea, the beautiful bay, the mountains beyond. And on a clear day, I'm sure you can really see for kilometres. Below, you also get a good feel as well of the communal grounds that the actual residents get to enjoy all year round with the communal pools. But coming back to the actual terrace itself, it's actually done in quite a functional kind of style. So on one side you have here an outdoor lounging spot, very comfortable, cozy and inviting. You also have on this side an outdoor dining space too. Taking you from the spacious, awe-inspiring terrace, I'm now going to show you where you will find the bathrooms and the bedrooms within the home. So altogether, this home offers you an interior living space of 134 square meters, and it also comes with hot and cold air conditioning and also double glazed windows and doors. Taking you along this way, not too far from the front door, you will find you have access to the first bathroom. This bathroom is warming and inviting and comes fully equipped. Now leading from the first bathroom, I'm going to take you along the hall, and this hallway leads to the first bedroom. This bedroom has a similar interior feel. It gives you a large window on one side offering an inviting and splendid views of the natural landscape, and is also 12 square meters. Coming out of the first bedroom, I'm now taking you along the hall a little bit more to the primary bedroom. The primary altogether, including the bathroom, is 26 square meters. You'll find that it is quite wide on one side with two windows, not only offering you natural light, but also again inviting in those beautiful views. And then you will also find that there is a doorway that leads to your very own ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom is fully equipped and also rather comfortable too. Walking along La Roda Beach, this beach is quite a distinct one, quite different from the beaches that are, let's say, with the high rises, the hotels, the bustling tourism, etc., etc. I could go on. This one actually offers you a quieter pace, a more relaxed kind of environment if you're wanting beach, that it gives you everything you might need, but on a slower pace. It is a blue flag beach offering you a variety of services and also installations. But one thing I do like about this one is it's pebbled with a few sandy patches, and it has a very long promenade that runs through the centre of Altea, connecting both the town to its beautiful coastline. If you do like walking through Altea, going through the winding streets of the whitewashed houses, not far from the Penthouse where we were before, but also at the same time enjoying somewhere where you can paddleboard, play in the sea, and all the things water related, then do come to La Roda Beach. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is approximately €800 per year. The community fee to be confirmed at a later date, and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, this is a modern and comfortable apartment located in a spellbinding location. You will find that with the apartment also, with it being the penthouse, you do have a really beautiful spacious terrace to enjoy the views at a great altura, or height, should I say. But you also get communal services on site, in the sense that there are communal swimming pools for the adults and children, a parking space, and also a spacious storage room that come included within the price. What's nice about this apartment as well is where it is located. The Sierra de Altea is known for its beautiful mountainous hiking trails, natural landscapes, and proximity to the sea. It really is quite an impressive location when you get to see the far expanse of nature that you're right overlooking. But what's also great about it is it's not too far from things of interest too. Just 10 minutes, you can be in the centre of Altea's town, and within 60 kilometres, you have access to Alicante's airport. This is actually a great apartment if you're thinking that you would like a holiday home, an investment, or even a place to retire here in the sun. So if you like the details of this property and you would like to know more, then don't forget to check it out on our website, which is spainhomes.estate, and no doubt I will see you next time. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely seeing you again. Hasta pronto!